Good day, dear students. Today we are going to explore chapter 15, Special Numbers. Let's begin. Here you can see a number line, and 0 is the center point of a number line. On the right side of 0, you will find positive numbers, while on the left side of 0, you will see negative numbers. Always remember one important thing. Numbers on the right side are greater numbers. No matter what, if you see a number on the right side, it is greater than the number on the left side. Let's start exercise 15.1. Here we have set of temperatures and we have to order them according to the coldest one. Coldest temperatures are the negative ones. So we can say that the numbers lies more towards the left side will come first and so on. Let's try to solve part A. First we will figure out all the numbers on the number line. -9, -2, 0 and 3. We can see on the number line that -9 is the first number. Then -2, I can see -2, then after -2 it's 0 and after that it's 3. So this is the order. Let's quickly solve part B. I just pointed out all the numbers and then arrange them in order. Starting from left side to moving towards right side. And this is part C. 2A is similar to the previous one, so we'll quickly solve it and moving towards our part B. Part B, the number pattern you have made. Describe the number pattern you have made. So you can see that all numbers are multiple of 5. So I can say that my pattern is add 5 each time. I'll write this. If you continue the pattern, will you write 71? No, because it's not a multiple of 5 and all the numbers are multiple of 5 here. Which number is larger, -4 or -1? So we can say that -4 is less than -1 because when we point both numbers on the number line, -4 will be on the left side and -1 will be on the right side than number 4. So it's greater than -4. See, here's the situation. The situation says -7 less than something less than -4. When you see a situation like this, you have to find out a number that is greater than -7 and less than -4. So let's write the numbers from -7 till -4, all the numbers. -7, -6, -5 and -4. Now you can see that -7 is already there and -4 is already there. In between we have two numbers. These two numbers are greater than -7 and lesser than -4. So I can use any number from these. In this situation we have only two numbers, but if you have more than these two numbers, you can write one number. So you can choose any number, it will be a correct answer. If you write -6, it's fine. If you write -5, it's also correct. Lesson 5 is practice and we have done it quite a multiple times in this video. And I don't think it requires any further explanation. So let's move on to part 6. Part 6 is also about comparing numbers. Here you can see two numbers, 6 and 17, 6 and -17. So don't get confused. You can say that 17 is greater than 6, but -17 is lesser than 6. A number with a negative sign makes it smaller than the positive number. So any number on the positive side is greater than any number on the negative side. 6 is greater than -17. -16 and -13, both negative numbers, but -16 is less than -13 because the bigger it is with a negative sign will be count smaller when comparing. 0 is greater than -2. Simply make a number line in your mind and place these two numbers on a number line. The number on the left side will be the smaller than the number on the right side. Here we have few numbers on our number cards. We have to arrange these numbers in the boxes below. All boxes have less than sign. Here we will choose 4 numbers. The smallest number will be in the first box and the biggest number will be in the last box. Let's start with minus 17. Minus 17 is the smallest number in the given boxes, so I'll write minus 17. After that I choose 12 because it's the greatest number in the given boxes. Now it's easy for me. I can choose any two numbers that are greater than minus 17 but less than 12. Minus 13 and minus 4 were my option. Now in the second part, I can see greater than signs with 3 boxes. So I can just use the numbers I chose before in the opposite way. Like 12 first, then minus 4, then minus 13. Here it says that 12 is greater than minus 4 and minus 4 is greater than minus 13. Let's do it again, choosing other set of numbers. Here I will choose my greater number as 7 and the smallest number I'll choose is minus 4. Then I choose minus 3 because minus 4 is less than minus 3, and then I choose 5 because minus 3 is less than 5, and hence this situation is correct. Again I'll write the numbers in descending order. Circle all the numbers that are greater than minus 6 but less than 4. So minus 4 and 0 meets the criteria, others are out of the boundaries. Part 9 is a challenge. Here we need to find out the term to term rule. In previous exercises, we already know the term to term rule, but in this exercise, we only know the first term and the last term, but we need to find the term to term rule to finish this question. For solving this, we have a very easy formula. The formula is last term minus first term divided by number of terms minus 1. 6 minus minus 22 is equals to 28. And number of terms are 5, so 5 minus 1 is 4. When 28 divided by 4, you will get 7. Hence we come to know that our term to term rule is plus 7. For your convenience, you can also draw a number line and put the numbers on the number line as well. Just start adding 7 to each term and you will get all the numbers. In the second part, I just need to put these numbers in the boxes because I see the greater than sign, so I'll write putting my greatest number first and then so on. Next question is quite a simple one. Here we can see a table with temperatures of different cities from different countries. Starting from part A, which is the coldest place? So the bigger number with the minus sign is the coldest place. So now I can see minus 20 is the coldest place here. Write the name of this place in part A. They are asking about the name of the place, so please write the name of the place. Which is the warmest place? So the biggest positive number is 18, so I can write Karachi, Pakistan is the warmest place. In part C, we have to order these temperatures, so let's do it. 11 is comparison, minus 3 is greater than minus 4, minus 19 is less than 11, and 0 is greater than minus 1. Here we have given 3 numbers and we can see the term to term rule is minus 8. So they are asking about 2 numbers that are less than 0. For your convenience, I have written a few numbers with the term to term rule minus 8. Now we have to find out 2 numbers that are less than 0. 10 minus 8 is 2, which is greater than 0. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Minus 6 is less than 0. Another number is minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14 and it is also less than 0. So these two numbers will be recorded. We are looking for these two numbers. Here we are done with 15.1. If you want 15.2, please let us know in comments. And if you want any specific chapter, please let me know. Thank you for watching.